Understanding your company's customer culture starts from within. With MarketCulture Powerful MRI Benchmark, now available inside of QuestionPro, you can measure and improve customer centricity with insights straight from your employees. It's simple, actionable, and made to drive real results. Let's walk through how to get started. From your QuestionPro dashboard, click on New Study to begin. Choose the MarketCulture framework from the list of available options. Click on Preview to view the full set of MarketCulture assessment questions. Are you ready to move forward? Found what you want? Click on Get Template to purchase access to the framework. Select the package that matches the number of employees you want to survey. Then click on Generate Invoice. Once you're confirmed, you'll be taken directly to the survey creation screen. A copy of your invoice will also be sent to your email. Click on Create to launch your survey. And that's it. It's that easy. Your MarketCulture assessment is ready to go, giving you the tools to build a stronger, more customer-centric, focused culture from the inside out. Let's make customer centricity your competitive advantage with MarketCulture and QuestionPro employee experience.